Imagine this, you're living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worrying if you'll make rent, pay your bills, or even afford a night out. What if there was a way to break free from that stress? What if you could earn $500 plus per week without quitting your day job? Today, I'm going to share with you 7 proven side hustles that can change your life, giving you financial freedom and more control over your time. But here's the catch, these side hustles aren't for the faint-hearted. It requires action, and those who are ready to hustle will reap the rewards. Stay with me, because you won't want to miss the last one. It might surprise you and be exactly what you've been looking for. Why you need a side hustle? In today's economy, relying on a single income stream is risky. Jobs can be unstable, and the rising cost of living is squeezing everyone, especially young people trying to get ahead. For many, it's not about living luxuriously, it's about survival. This is where side hustles come in. They're not just extra income, they're a safety net, an investment in yourself. And if you play your cards right, some of these side gigs can grow into something even bigger. 1. Freelance writing. If you have a knack for words, freelance writing can be a golden ticket. Websites, blogs, and companies are constantly looking for writers to create content. With platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you can get started quickly. But here's the exciting part. Once you've built a portfolio, clients start coming to you, and your earnings can skyrocket beyond $500 a week. Imagine being paid for your thoughts, your creativity. It's not just money, it's freedom. But what if writing's not your thing? Don't worry, the next hustle is perfect for those who are more hands-on. 2. Delivery driver for apps. For those who prefer to be out and about, becoming a delivery driver for apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Postmates can easily earn you $500 a week. The best part? You set your own hours, whether you're working after your 9 to 5 or on weekends. Every delivery brings you closer to your goal. And here's a secret, by strategically working during peak hours, you can double your earnings. But wait, not every side hustle requires driving. What if you could earn money right from your home? Keep watching. 3. Online tutoring. Do you excel in a particular subject? With platforms like Chegg or Tutor.com, you can teach students online, all while setting your own rates. Tutors for in-demand subjects can make $20 to $30 an hour, and before you know it, you've crossed that $500 mark. Now, think about this. Helping someone succeed while padding your bank account? That's not just money, it's making an impact. But what if you're not a fan of teaching? What if you want something with almost no qualifications? The next hustle might surprise you. 4. Flipping items on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. This one's a game changer. All you need is an eye for deals and a bit of hustle. You can start by going through your own home, old electronics, clothes, furniture, then flip them for profit. Some people even hit garage sales or thrift stores to find hidden gems they can resell. The key? Finding undervalued items that people are willing to pay a premium for. Imagine turning a $10 investment into $100 in profit. That's real power. But maybe you're not into hunting for deals. What if you could make money simply by sharing your opinion? The next hustle is perfect for you. 5. Online surveys and market research. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion, literally. Platforms like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie allow you to make money by completing surveys or participating in focus groups. While it may not sound glamorous, with dedication, it's easy to rack up $500 a week by dedicating just a few hours each day. The best part? You can do it from your couch. But this next hustle? It's not just profitable, it's also fun if you have the right skills. 6. Social media management. If you love spending time on Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, why not get paid for it? Businesses need help maintaining their social media presence. By managing accounts, creating content, or running ads, you can earn hundreds of dollars a week. With the growth of social media, this is a side hustle that's here to stay. And as you gain experience, clients will pay more for your expertise. But what if you're looking for something even more hands-off? Something that makes money while you sleep? That's coming up next. 7. Print-on-demand business. This is the side hustle with the potential to blow your mind. Print-on-demand lets you create designs for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and sell them without ever touching the product. Platforms like Teespring or Redbubble handle the printing and shipping. Your job? Create designs and market them. It's a passive income machine. Earn money while you sleep, with the right designs and strategy. Now, if you think this sounds like the side hustle for you, wait until you see how easy it is to get started. Here's the truth, side hustles can change your life, but only if you act. Fear is your enemy, fear of failure, fear of trying something new. But think about this, what happens if you don't try? You stay stuck in the same routine, the same financial stress. Time is ticking, and every day you wait is another missed opportunity. The side hustles I've just shared aren't just a way to make money, they're your ticket to freedom. So, which one will you try first? Don't wait until tomorrow, start now, and see how quickly your financial situation can change. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video where I reveal how to turn your side hustle into a full-time business. Remember, your hustle starts now.